Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I built these visuals you can see on your screen using Power BI. This first one here is a date picker, is a custom visual, and it has so many functionalities. You can see that it has a function for today. Once I click on today and click on apply, my visual filters for today. When I clear the filter to select another, I can select last week. Click apply, it filters for last week values. You can see the range of date for last week. Also, I can select some days before, just like if I want 5 days before today, you can see the range of date automatically selected. This is so amazing. You can just click on apply and the video filters for that. So I'm going to be showing you how I build this. This other one here is a merged bar chart. It's also a custom visual. This is part of what we are going to also look at today. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is to download our custom visuals. You can see that I already have them here, date picker and merge bar chart. You don't have to download. You click on get more visuals, then get more. You will need to have like a pro license to be able to access this part. Then I'll type date picker. So this is the visual that I used. You can click on it, then add. Then you can click on this add to add it to your list of visuals. I already have it, so I don't need to click that. And I'll go back and type make bar charts. So this is the one that I'm using, the one by Nova Silver. You can also click on that and add. When you're done adding, both of them will appear here. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to create our merge bar chart. So I'll do that by clicking on the merge bar chart visual by Nova, drag that to this part, then click on my product category. I already have my data product category and I want to see the sales value. That is the first category that I want to add some of sales value. And the next one is the quantity. You can see that it's taking shape already. It's merging together. I don't need to create separate videos for this. Then the next one is the unit price. For the unit price, I want it to be the average unit price. I will click on this arrow, select under summarization, select average. So we have the average unit price. Then I'm going to quickly format this to look better. Turn off my x-axis and turn on the data label. Then change the color of my data label to white so that I can see them. Next is to, on the y-axis, turn off the title. Then the names of my bars, edit that, sales value, quantity sold, average unit of price. Then my title, product category by sales value, quantity sold, and average price. Then change my data bars. In order to turn that on, show all data points first so that I can change the individual bars. For sales value, I want this to be purple, quantity sold to be orange, and unit price to be navy blue. So we have our merged bar chart ready. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to create our calendar slicer. So to do that, it's easy and straightforward. Click on the date picker. Let me get that down here. expand it and then add our date. For this particular one, you have to, there are different formats. For this, I want it to be a range. You can select start and end it. So I've selected the range, click on next. I don't want double, I want single. Click on next. I don't want pop-up, I want canvas. It's okay like this. Click on next and the color light is fine. Then done. So we have this now. You can see that um let me increase the view. So we have our slicer. And once I click on today's date and click on apply, it filters. So this is how you create a calendar date, as well as a met bar chart using Power BI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.